Hello students, this is class 6 algebra exercise 6D. Now this chapter exercise 6D is the continuation of exercise 6C. That means whatever concept we have learned in exercise 6C, those concepts will be used in solving exercise 6D. So let us start number 1. So our question number 1 is find each of the following products. Okay, so we have got these two questions, bracket 5x plus 7 bracket close, again bracket 3x plus 4. Now what we have to do, we have to find products. Products means what? Multiply. That means we have to multiply this bracket and this bracket. So how to multiply? So what we will do, first we will take this first term. First term is what? 5x. We'll write here 5x, and this full bracket we will write here, full bracket. Okay, first we will take this first term, this is 5x, write here 5x, and this full bracket we will write down as it is. Okay, so this term we have taken. Now we will take this second term, is what? Plus 7. So we will write here plus 7, and again this full bracket we will write down as it is. Once again, first we'll take this term 5x, write down, and whatever is here, full bracket, this will be written as it is. So this term we have taken. Now come to this term. This term is what? Plus 7. So once again we'll write here plus 7 as it is, and this full bracket once again we'll write as it is. Okay, now from here we will follow the same step as we have done in exercise 6C. So 5x is outside this bracket, that means 5x will be multiplied by this term and again this term. So 5 3 is 15 x square. Okay, then 5 4 is 20 x. Again come to this bracket. 7 is outside this bracket, that means 7 will be multiplied by this term and this term as we have learned in exercise 6C. So 7 3 is 21x plus 7 4 is 28. Now after removing from the brackets, we will look for like terms and we will add or subtract according to the sign. Now what is like term? Like term means which has got same alphabet and alphabet powers are same. For example, if you look 20x and 21x, both has got same alphabet x, and here x power is how much? 1, and here is also x power 1. That means both have got same alphabet and both alphabet powers are also same. That means 20x and 21x are like terms. But if you look here, 15x square and 20x, here also they have got same alphabet x and here x, but difference is what? Both have got same alphabet, but here if you look, x power is how much? 2, but here x power is how much? 1. That means these two are not like terms. Why? Because their alphabet powers are not same. So remember, to be like terms, two things you have to take notice. First is what? Both should have same alphabet and their alphabet powers should also be same. That is, here also x, here also x, and here alphabet power x is how much? 1, and here alphabet x power is how much? 1. That means both has got same alphabet and their alphabet powers are also same. That means 20x and 21x are like terms. But if you look here, both have got same alphabet x and x, but here x power is 2 and here x power is 1. That means these two are not like terms. So these two are not like terms, but these two are like terms. So whatever like terms is there, between them we will add and or we will subtract according to the sign. That means 15x square will remain as it is. Okay, and here 21x plus and here 21x plus, so plus plus will be plus. So 20x plus 21x, so 20 plus 21 41, and this x alphabet remain as it is. And here also 28, only single term is there, 28 constant term, no constant term is there here, so 28 will remain as it is. So this is our final answer. Now we will not solve this and this, because all three are unlike terms. So this will remain our answer. So this is all about question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is same. So I have solved here. So try to understand. Now come to question number 9. Now question number 9. Now question number 9 is fraction 1. Now whenever fraction 1 is there, you look for numerator and denominator. Now if you look here denominator is not given. So whenever denominator is not given, you take denominator 1. Here also you will take denominator. Okay, so what I said, whenever denominator is not there, you take denominator 1. Here also denominator is not there, take denominator 1. Okay, now you will follow same step as we have learned in number 1. So first term you will take 1x by 5, and this full bracket will write down as it is. Again second term you will take 2y by 1 we have taken, so 2y by 1, and once again second bracket will remain as it is. Now again this term is outside the bracket, that means this term will be multiplied by this one, and once again this term will be multiplied by this one. So when you will multiply, numerator and numerator will be multiplied, and denominator will be multiplied. So 2 1 ja 2, numerator and numerator, 2 1 ja 2, 5 3 ja 15. Numerator and numerator multiply, denominator and denominator we will multiply, and x into x square. Okay, again plus minus minus, here will nothing is there, we will take 1. So 1 1 ja 1, 5 1 ja 5, and x into y xy. Numerator multiply and write, denominator multiply and write. Okay, again here same process, numerator 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, x into y or y into x, alphabetically will write xy, plus minus minus. Now here again once again numerator is not there, we'll take numerator 1, so denominator 1. So 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, and y multiply y square. So numerator and numerator will multiply, denominator and denominator we will multiply. Now after multiplying once again we look for like terms. So if you look here also xy, here also xy, same alphabet they have got, and here also alphabet powers are also same. That means these two are like terms. So this will remain as it is. Now these two are like terms, so this can be added or subtracted, but since they are in fraction, so whenever fraction 1 is there, we have to take out what? LCM, and then we have to add or subtract. So 5 3 LCM will be 15, 5 tables 15 will go 3 times, and 3 1 ja 3, xy minus will remain as it is, plus 3 table 15 will go 5 times, and 5 4 ja 20 xy, and this will remain as it is. Okay, here I have taken LCM and we have solved here. Again this will remain as it is, 2x square by 15 will remain as it is. Now this will solve because these two are like terms. Now here it is minus, here it is plus, so minus plus is minus. So 20 minus 3 is 17, xy will remain as it is by 15. Now minus plus is minus, but we know sign is given of greater value, so 20 is greater between these two, and 20 has got plus sign, so we will give here plus sign, and this 2y square will remain as it is. Now 1 is not written in denominator, so 1 I have not written. So this is all about question number 9, fraction 1. Now question number 17. 17 also same, fraction 1 is there. So if denominator is not there, we'll write denominator 1. Okay, denominator is not there, write denominator 1. Again denominator is not there, we'll write denominator 1. and we will follow the same step. Okay, we will follow the same step and we will solve. So number 17, try to understand yourself, same step is followed and we will solve here. Now question number 19. Question number 19 is also same sum. So again we have to multiply this bracket and this bracket. So 2x will write, first term 2x is there, 12x will write, and here full bracket will write as it is. Once again second term will write 3y, and again this full bracket will written as it is, and again minus 5 will write, and this full bracket will write as it is. Okay, first time write down the first term and this full bracket will write written as it is. Again write down the second term and this full bracket will written as it is. Again write down the third term and this full bracket will written as it is, and then remove the bracket as I have told how to solve. You will get here, and then we will arrange the like terms and we will solve, and this is our final answer. So now your homework is try to complete this chapter till question number 26. Thank you.